Hi there, I'm Jewel. Welcome back to my channel, Style Lady Forever. Today we're going to talk about the most amazing product that every man and woman needs in their beauty arsenal. It's the Jade Roller. This one's from Revlon. I got it at Rexall. Retails about $25. This is the packaging. It's about the size of your hand. I keep mine in the fridge because the cooling and depuffing is so amazing. It's going to change your face. When your skin is clean and dry, take your favorite serum. It's best to roll it over a damp, slippery face. So we're going to put our serum. I just got my roller out of the fridge, so it's very, very cold. This is perfect for the eye. I start with my eyes, and I just place it on, and immediately you feel the benefits. It's cooling. So you're just going to roll from in to out about 10 times. Nice and slow. It's easy to hold. It doesn't stick. It's very smooth. And it feels so refreshing. Then I move to the other eye, from in to out. Then I hold it vertical and I start, so everything is from center up and out. Immediately the cooling, immediately the depuffing, gets the blood circulating, so it will bring a natural glow to your face. It's anti-aging, it's refreshing, it pushes in your creams. It takes seconds. It's so easy. But you can immediately see that my face is getting red. You can feel it work in the muscles, especially around the jawline. You find your muscles get tight. You can press hard. There are other rollers on the market in different stones. There's a rose quartz, there's a jade, and they can be pretty pricey. So this was a really good value. I was so excited to try it. You can do it in your practically when you're going to bed, or you can look into the mirror. It's like just instead of using your fingers. If you have somewhere to go, you can do this beforehand, do it at night. So everything from center out. It stimulates the lymph nodes to drain, right? Because you're pushing them and you're pushing it out. Getting those pockets. Stimulates acupuncture pressure points. You can go over your mouth. I thought this was fantastic. I was so excited because they can be quite pricey. You can use on your neck. So everything up. So I put my serum on. Then I do this, and then I put it on again because this tends to push the serum into the skin. I also do it on my chest, and you will notice when you do this that you actually have the tight muscles there on your chest, right? From hunching over. So when you lift back, push it out. You can use this anywhere. I also, because of our arms, I've been rolling back and forth because they were tight from work. And it was just a couple of minutes like 1 minute, and it was like you could really feel it. It's so smooth. It's so nice. You will love this. I want to hear in your comments, do you have one? Do you want one? Have you tried it? How do you use it? Is there anything else that any other way that you use it? You can carry it with you. It's just the most amazing. It's an amazing little gem in your arsenal, and it's going to depuff and bring blood flow and new energy, and it's like going to last forever. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you to get yours. Don't forget to comment below, like and subscribe, and be beautiful.